meron pa rin conflict. So, paano daw pagpapakilala ni Jesus?
Kasi hindi ka naros Philippines.
Sino muna atake kasi nasabi niya may pasado. Just a little trivia. Hindi lang kami basta binibigyan ni Sister way back 2019. Ano din kami? Roommate ni Jesus.
Oo, nakitira actually. Nagpaampon ako sa kanya. Wala siyang choice. Pero knowing Emma as kind as she is, she gladly accepted me and it was very nice of her. In fact, nasira nga yung phone ko dati. Remember, nasira yung phone ko for some reason. Nakapasok yung tubig, hindi na siya gumagana. I borrowed her phone for a week then.
Ang tagal namin binabad sa bigas.
Talaga nag-try. So, that's how I appreciated the friendship that we built. It's really from the ground up.
Dalawang Spanish.
From 0 to 100 real quick.
And kahit tapos na yung binibigyan,